Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice and this is Chris. I hope you watched the unboxing video of the P40 Pro. If not, the links are in the description below. And this is why the P40 Pro is a performance king with the best camera. I hope everyone is safe and sound watching this video from the confinement of your houses. We continue to bring you reviews and news from the tech world, and today we are going to talk about our experience with the HUAWEI P40 Pro. So we've been using the P40 Pro for over a week now, and here's why the P40 Pro is a performance king with the best camera. The first thing you will notice on this flagship is its display. It has a beautiful curve that could remind you of water overflowing from the rim of a filled cup. Now HUAWEI calls this the quad curve overflow display. The bezels of the phone are super narrow and the rounded corners offer an ergonomic hold and a near borderless look. Under the gorgeous screen, you will find the in-screen fingerprint reader which offers 30% faster biometric authentication. The one that I have in my hand is the silver frost color. The matte finish of the P40 Pro makes it fingerprint and smudge resistant. The P series from HUAWEI has always been a trendsetter when it came to colors. We have seen this with the P20 series, which featured the gradient twilight color, and the P30 series, which featured Aurora. And now the gorgeous matte silver frost on the P40 Pro gives it a very different look and feel depending on how the angle of the light hits the smartphone's body. The P40 Pro also features IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. The entire P40 series is powered by the Kirin 990 5G chipset to deliver integrated 5G connectivity with the most comprehensive 5G band support. It also offers robust AI performance and power efficiency. The 90Hz panel on the P40 Pro takes display responsiveness and gaming experience to the whole new level. As you can see over here, the overall gameplay experience is very fluid and responsive. We did not encounter any lags or stutters. The entire P40 series comes with 160 MHz Wi-Fi 6 Plus technology that offers high-speed internet connectivity. Now for years, the P series has brought in smartphone photography innovation. From our experience, the P20 series was a breakthrough, followed by P30 series last year. And this time around as well, the HUAWEI P40 Pro takes the camera capabilities to a whole new level. It features an Ultra Vision Leica camera system. This is industry's largest CMOS sensor to date. This system is available in triple camera, quad camera and penta camera configurations depending on the P40 series model. The Ultra Vision Leica camera system features full pixel Octa PD autofocus for high-speed focus at any time of the day. You also get HUAWEI's XD Fusion engine that integrates and processes data from multiple cameras to generate a comprehensive improvement in the picture quality. The HUAWEI P40 Pro delivers outstanding photographic results with ultra-wide angle, wide angle and telephoto lenses. It also features an evolution of the Leica quad camera with a more powerful ultra-wide cine camera and TOF camera alongside 50x super sensing zoom. The phone brings faraway subjects up close with 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom and 50x digital zoom. And for the first time ever, the 5x optical telephoto camera in the HUAWEI P40 Pro includes a RYYB color filter array to boost light intake and improve quality of zoomed photos. The Ultra Vision wide camera and super zoom array work together with AI to provide improved photo and video stabilization. The entire P40 series also introduces the Huawei Golden Snap feature. Now this includes the AI Best Moment feature that chooses the best frames from a moving picture. You also get AI Remove Passerby and AI Remove Reflection that can do away with unwanted subjects and glare from the frame, allowing you to easily enhance your images. There is also an ISO rating of 51,200 and ultra slow motion video capture at 7,680 fps. The P40 series supports real-time bokeh effects for videos as well. The telephoto camera can also capture high-quality zoom footage and 4K time-lapse videos. The directional audio zoom available on the Huawei P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus allows you to zoom in on an audio source and amplify its sound at the same time.
Into the subject, audio zoom will increase the audio levels as you zoom into the subject. So what happens is you are also capturing a nice audio experience along with the video when you're zooming into the subject matter.
Now let's talk about the front camera. The P40 Pro comes with a 32 megapixel AF camera and IR depth camera that offers autofocus and bokeh reproduction. You also get IR face unlock even in low light conditions. Now talking about the software, the P40 Pro is powered by Android 10 operating system with EMUI 10.1 running on top of it. The EMUI 10.1 introduces lots of new features such as the Huawei Share. Now this feature lets you transfer files between the smartphone and other devices such as tablets and PCs. And with Huawei Share, you can also stream music to a smart speaker, start a screen projection, or connect to Wi-Fi by tapping the device you want to connect to with your phone. You also get multi-screen collaboration, which allows you to easily answer video and voice calls hands-free directly from the PC and open files and hyperlinks on the smartphone with native PC applications for enhanced productivity. The phone also comes packed with Huawei's app gallery and Huawei mobile services. The app gallery offers thousands of apps like Snapchat, ToTalk, and so on, with more apps being added on a regular basis. So if you can't find an app that you're looking for, you can always add it to a wish list, after which you will be notified once it's available. Services like Huawei Video, Huawei Music, and Huawei Reader offer quality entertainment on the go. In terms of performance, everything felt smooth and fluid and the overall experience was fantastic. That's because it comes packed with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which can be further expanded using Huawei's nano memory cards. The P40 Pro comes with 4200 mAh battery. But if you run out of juice, you can always quickly charge the P40 Pro using the 40-watt supercharger that comes inside the box. It also supports wireless Huawei Supercharge and reverse charging. To use reverse charging, make sure you switch on the reverse charging functionality from the settings menu. The phone also switches the reverse charging off if it does not find any wireless charging device to save battery life. So that's the P40 Pro. It is a well-rounded flagship that offers top-notch design and build quality, brilliant camera performance, fast charging, and overall powerhouse performance. The P40 Pro will be available in 2 colors in the UAE, in Silver Frost and Black, starting 9th April. And at the moment they are on online pre-orders. We will add a link in the description with details. For a price of 3,499 dirhams, it is a perfect flagship smartphone for someone who's looking for quality and performance and superior camera for all scenario usage. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we loved reviewing this product. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned for more videos.